In this video, I'm going to show you how to delete your Telegram account permanently. So this will work on Android, iPhone, or any browser, and it cannot be done directly from the application. Telegram will require you to use a browser. So in order, if you are in the application example, you can always go and access settings and click on Telegram FAQ or frequently asked questions. And basically here, you can go and look for close an example like accounts. And basically they will have a link that will take you to the exact website if you want that. But for me, I'm just going right away into the browser, and what I'll have to do is simply go to the URL section here, and I'm going to type my.telegram.org/AUTH and hit the enter button. So this should take me here, and all I need to do, as you can see here, you'll find delete account or manage apps. So you'll have to go and enter your phone number. So you'll have to log in to manage your apps using Telegram API, or delete your account. You'll have to enter your number, and they will send you a confirmation code via Telegram, not SMS, and you'll have to enter the code. So all you need to do, just go and enter your phone number right here and click on next. They'll send you a code on Telegram. You can just go and open Telegram. You'll find the code right there. Just go and paste the code right in the option that they will show you. And yeah, you should go and click on delete your account. Once you enter the code and click on delete my account, you'll have to confirm it again and click on done, and you should be good to go. But just a warning, this is permanent. It will delete all your chats, groups, channel, and cloud files. It will remove you from any group or private channels, and it will delete your Telegram username. Others can claim it later as well. So yeah, that should be it for me in this video. Thank you for watching, and goodbye.